We got 6528 East Robin Lane up in Grandview Estates. This place is amazing. It's one of a kind, really. Very few. There's only a handful of gated communities where you have acreage. The privacy here, the views go forever. You can probably see a little bit behind us. And not only that, we have brand new construction. One level living, nice 2,000 square foot rancher built by Hayden Homes. As you can see, quaint little cute porch here. Brand new construction. This house has never been lived in. We're up here in Grandview Estates in Chattaroy, Washington. Amazing views. You'll see them in a minute. 10 acres. Let's come take a look inside. All right, here we go. It's about 2,000 square foot. One level living, 4 bed, 3 bathroom. So it's a full bath in the master, full bath between 2 bedrooms, and a 3/4 bath. So you got 3 showers. All right, right off the main entry, we have a formal dining room. Perfect setup to entertain, host your dinners and whatnot. Off to the left here, we have the first bedroom. It's a great setup because you have your own bathroom, 3/4 shower, and it is away from the other bedrooms and opposite side of the master suite. Across from the hallway here is the laundry room. Main floor laundry, of course, because everything is on the main floor. You have linens here. Nice wide hallways. You can see I'm a pretty broad dude, and it's really wide. Into the great room. So this is vaulted ceilings. We've got about, I think they're 18-foot vaulted ceilings, can lighting throughout. Right off the kitchen here, you've got another eating area. This is your informal kitchen eating space. Nice big table to go there. And you've got to take a look at these views. Apologize if there's any glare showing up, but it goes on for miles. This property sits on 10 acres in Grandview Estates. Nobody's gonna build down there. Yeah, there's not even access down there. But prior to verify that, the access piece. You've got some nice natural light there with the windows. That's an upgrade. The windows and the garage doors upgrade, and openers on both. You got the pressure tank for the well. Again, everything's brand new, right? You got the solid wood cabinets, crown molding, full matching GE appliance package, dishwasher, stove, micro, garbage disposal, full tile backsplash up to the bottom of the cabinets, soft close on all the drawers. I got the Lazy Susan in the corner. It's just a nice, open, airy feel right when you walk in the house. So this is like the master wing. This sits behind the garage. It's all private from the other bedrooms. Giant master suite here. Again, you got the amazing views out this end of the windows, and you've got a door out to your private deck there. So there's more can lighting in the master bedroom. On into the master bathroom. Very spacious. You have the soaker tub here, the 3/4 shower, private water closet, double sinks, the tile backsplash. Into the master bathroom is this giant walk-in closet. You've got shelving and rods on the entire perimeter of the closet, and it's enormous. It's probably 10 by 8. Probably hard to tell as we're walking through here, but these are 9-foot ceilings in the bedrooms. And as I mentioned before, the vaulted ceilings, they go up to about, maybe 18 is a little aggressive, probably 16. So now we have the 3rd and 4th bedroom. So you have the front bedroom, the master, and then you got 2 more. Off to the left here is a nice sized bedroom with a big window and a walk-in closet. Full bath in between the 2 bedrooms. Not a Jack and Jill, but just in the hallway here. Linen closet, and then another good sized bedroom with amazing views out the back. Should we take a look at the deck?
Let's take a look at the deck.
All right. Slider out onto the brand new deck. Ultimate privacy. So you can't see a house in any direction. You can't see anything with the sun right now, but it's pretty amazing. The property spans all the way to the east. Again, it's 10 acres. I was told there's actually a creek way down the hill there, but this property goes all the way over to a road over there, down to that tree line. And really, you can do anything you want with this property. Prior to verify